How will they know? Who's going to tell them? Is it you? Who will tell them? Is it you that will tell them? So I just saw them like, hey, and it looks like a dress. After I did this, it was not looking like a dress. It was looking like a dress. Yay! Go girl! Go girl! So you guys, Vlogmas is starting, and I think I'm going to do Vlogmas this year because so help me God, so help me God. I am definitely going to do Vlogmas this year. I started creating content, I've started shooting content. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm about to I don't know, I want to make my intro for Vlogmas. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to shoot that for you guys. I don't know if I should shoot that, but definitely, oh God, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. Let me check this top and see how it will be like. This is how it's looking. I don't know how, if I should give it to... Should I wear it without a bra? Let me wear it without a bra and see. Okay, so I've worn it without a bra. This is how it's looking. It's looking. See you guys. Julie is calling. Let's pick the call. Hello, Julie. I can hear you. Okay. Is it blue now? Why am I missing it? Does it? I think that's it. So let me call her. My wig don't come out too. Okay. This is the end result, guys. This is how my candle came out. It's not fully dried, but this is my first time making scented candle. I hope my tutor is proud of me. Are you proud of your students? Oh God, I'm so proud of myself. But I do not like the color, but we just make it work. The feeling this morning, like, it's just different. It's on another level. Like, I'm so freaking hungry. I made stew yesterday before I slept. So this is the pepper rice. I don't know if I showed you guys when I was wrapping it, but this is what pepper rice looks. This is what it's called in Edo State. You basically just wrap it in a paper and you just allow it to cool. Then the scent from the leaf, the aroma, the flavor from the leaf will enter into the rice, and then it gives it a different vibe, gives it a different, taste. So I'm just going to, I think you should try it. It's taking me back to Edo State. It's taking me back to Edo State. Like, one more. I don't want to disgrace my my people. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section if you like more of this kind of video, if you like vlogs. Let me know what you just like on my channel. Basically, I need to eat my food off camera. Like, okay, I need to devour this free meat. But while they eat, I know they all cool. Bye.